Welcome to SPC, the simplified point control system. Our aim is to make building model railways easier for all modellers of whatever level. In this video we'd like to introduce our new PMTU-1 point motor test unit. This new tool is a handheld device for checking and installing motors of the twin coil type as made by Peco, Hornby and Seep. It's used to make installing point motors less of a chore by allowing you to check and test the installation of your point motors as you fit them, even before you build your control panel. After you finish your layout, the tool can be used as a test device to troubleshoot those point failures that develop over time. In practice, the tool is a complete control panel in the palm of your hand, but with only one switch. The unit consists of a small plastic container with 3 wires emerging from the top, a single switch on the front face and a 2.1mm power socket in the base. The power socket can accept any voltage between 12 and 24 volts AC or DC from a transformer type power supply, and it is not polarity conscious when used with DC. Don't use a switching type power supply. They don't charge the unit properly and the results of testing can't be relied on. Here's a point motor we've rigged as a demonstration. To use the PMTU-1, simply connect its red switching wires to the point motor switching terminals and the black wire to the common terminal. Power up and move the switch. A good point motor should give a pronounced click as it moves backwards and forwards. It's as simple as that, and if this motor were fitted on a point, you could check the point was moving all the way from one side to the other. You may notice the switch is not one that returns to centre when released. It is in fact a toggle switch that stays whichever way it's set until moved again. But don't worry, no damage will be caused to your point motor. Inside the PMTU-1 is a complete SPC control system, which controls and protects your point motors. This means we don't need a momentary switch to stop your point motors from burning out. If you are testing a new Peco point motor, the 2 common terminals will not yet be connected together. You can either move the black wire from the PMTU-1 to each common terminal in turn and then test, or fit a bridging wire. SPC can supply a clip-on bridging wire if you're doing a lot of motors and want to save a little more time. We don't supply a power lead with the PMTU-1 because we have a choice for you. We have 3 power leads, one with forked terminals and one with tinned wire ends to connect to standard model railway transformers, one with crocodile clips to connect to other types of transformer, and you can supply your own wall wart transformer like this Hornby model. If the power lead is not long enough, we have a 5-metre extension lead. Thank you for listening, and if you'd like to know more or to see the other products in our range, please visit our website at www.spc-cov.co.uk.